nothing. If I go next door to the tens, there's nothing for me to borrow. So I again am going to have to go to the hundreds. I'm going to trade one of these hundreds, leaving me with 4. That gives me 10 tens. Adding the 10 tens to the 0 that were there, I now have 10, but I need to trade one of those in to get some 1s. So I will leave myself with 9 tens, and I will add the 10 ones then to the 0 that was there, giving me 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. Next steps, I believe, on the next slide. Let's go. All right, here we are. There's where we started off. So we have the next problem, going to the tens. 9 minus 3. I don't need to do any trading for that. I can actually do that problem. So that's pretty straightforward. Gives me a 6. And then the last step would be the hundreds column. 4 minus 1. Straightforward. I can do that subtraction and get 363. So 500 minus 137 equals 363. Does it make sense? Well, if I rounded, 500 minus 100 equals 400. So yes, my answer of 400 does make sense because 363 is close. Ooh, lost my train of thought there for a second. Okay, I hope that makes sense to you. Here's another one if you would like to try it. If you still need the practice or want to double check yourself, go ahead and solve this. Stop the video, and when you're ready, come back and we'll go over the answer. So the answer is 327 if I was going to do these steps. I can't take 6 away from 3, so I will try to go next door. I can't borrow from that 0 or trade in that 0, so I'm going to go to the hundreds. I'll take the 6, make it into a 5. That I will add those 10 tens that I got from the 100 to the 0. I'll borrow one of those to give me 10 ones, leaving me with 9 there. I'll add that 10 ones to the 3 that was already there, giving me 13. 13 minus 6 is going to give me 7. 9 minus 7 is going to give me 2. And 5 minus 2 is going to give me 327. That's how I solve that. Okay, you can now work on pages 21 and 22 in your math journal. If you're still having difficulty, rewatch or seek some help from someone older in your family. My guess is this is the method they know. All right, I'll see you in class tomorrow.